Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the floor trader pivots indicator for MT4 and MT5, although I'm going to be focusing on the MT4 version. All right. If you want to get access to the indicator, just check the description below. Once you download the indicator, you head over to your indicators folder, paste the indicator file in there. After that, just get back to your navigator and refresh. Okay, after refreshing, just look for the pivot points. All right. Drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And then for your input settings, you can see the customizable settings here that are available. All right. Now, this indicator, as you can see, helps to pinpoint important price levels on your chart based on classic trader tested pivot calculations. You can see that the indicator, if you are a trader that values pivot points, then this indicator might be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. The indicator highlights these important price levels on your chart. You can see S1 meaning the first support 1, right? Support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4. Then we have the pivot points, then resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4. All right, so if you're a pivot points trader, or if your strategy has one thing or another to do with pivot points, then this can be a good addition to your trading toolkit. Okay, but remember, it's always good to pay attention to confirmations. Okay, do not neglect confirming your trades. Okay, get confirmation signals from candlestick patterns or maybe chart patterns or other indicators before executing your trades. Okay, and do not neglect risk management. Do not neglect risk management. It's very important. Do not trade an amount you cannot afford to lose, and do not over leverage. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.